Ireland, Jack in Mississippi,
Jackson, Mississippi.
China,
Here's China.
Mexico.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes, I am excited.
This is a 12-inch world globe.
Look, Mongolia.
Yes, that purple is Mongolia. Oh, look, feel. You can feel the bumps for the mountains.
Japan. What's that?
What? It's Myanmar.
It's Myanmar, right?
Jaden, look. It has a bonus limited 8.5 by 12-inch USA and world two-sided map inside. It's got a map.
Yes. Yeah, Africa.
Yes, it's Africa.
Madagascar, right there.
What is it?
Madagascar.
Yes, that's Madagascar.
And this one is Mozambique.
Yes, that's Mozambique. Good job.
This one is India.
Is that India?
Yeah.
That's cool. What's this?
Yemen,
Yemen. Good job. What's this?
Turkey.
Yes.
Look, Estonia.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
I see Estonia.
What's that?
Italy,
Yes.
France, Spain, Ireland, United Kingdom.
This globe was made in the USA.
Yep.
Made by Globemaster.
Made by Globemaster.
This world globe has up-to-date accuracy. This is the back of the box. It features over 4,000 geographical and political place names, embossed raised relief mountains, ocean currents and ship routes indicated. Great reference tool for home, school, or office.
Look, Libya,
Yes, there's Libya.
China, China.
Yes. You happy?
Yeah. Let's go open this box. Let's open it. Yes. Spain, Portugal.
Here it is out of the box. You see, it's got bumps right here to like show you where the mountains are. Here's the Rocky Mountain chain.
This one's Bangladesh.
Yes, that's Bangladesh.
This one's the capital. There's a star. It's a capital.
Yes, the star is the capital. So, where's Russia? Yes. And where is Ireland? Yes. And where is France? Yes. Good job. Where's Australia?
Australia.
Yeah, where's Australia?
Australia is right there.
Yes, there's Australia.
It's Philippines right there.
Yes, that's the Philippines. Look, see this right here? These tiny little dots are all the Hawaiian Islands.
Hawaiian Islands. Look, look, Sweden.
Look. Spins just like the Earth does. So it gives you an idea of how we rotate in space around the sun. This is the laminated two-sided map. This side shows the world. And this side shows the United States.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye, friends.